Can one simple drill really transform your football skills? What if I told you the difference between an average player and a confident one isn't talent, it's repetition done the right way. And most players are training wrong without even realizing it. This drill looks basic. No cones everywhere. No fancy tricks. But it's used by academy players, professionals, and coaches who understand one thing. Mastery comes from simplicity. The drill is called wall passing with movement. Sounds boring, right? That's why most players ignore it, and that's exactly why it works. Here's how it goes. You pass the ball against a wall using your right foot. As the ball comes back, you control it with your left. Then immediately move to a new angle and repeat. Pass, control, move, again and again. What this drill secretly trains is everything that matters in a real match. First touch. In football, you don't get time. One bad touch, and the chance is gone. This drill forces your touch to be clean, quick, and under control. Second, weak foot confidence. Most players panic when the ball comes to their weak foot. This drill removes that fear because you're using both feet constantly, without pressure, until confidence becomes automatic. Third, game awareness. Because you're always moving after the pass, your body learns a habit pros have: pass and reposition. You stop standing still. You start thinking one step ahead. Now here's the part most people miss. This drill isn't about speed at first. It's about consistency. Slow, clean touches. Correct body shape. Eyes up. Do this for 10 minutes a day. Not once a week. Not randomly. Every day. After 1 week, your touch feels softer. After 2 weeks, your passes feel sharper. After 1 month, people start saying things like, "Why do you look more comfortable on the ball?" And that's when you realize it wasn't magic. It was one simple drill, done with intention. Football skills don't change overnight. And here's the bonus. The drill can be made progressively harder. Start by adding one-touch passes. Then increase the distance between you and the wall. Add movement patterns, like running around a cone after each pass. Before you know it, your stamina, control, and reaction speed are all improving simultaneously. Another way to level up is to add a partner. One person passes, the other controls and passes back, constantly switching positions. This adds unpredictability, just like in a real match. Your brain learns to anticipate, react, and execute under pressure. But the real magic is mental. Every repetition builds confidence. You stop doubting your first touch. You start trusting your instincts. And trust me, coaches notice that difference immediately. So remember, this isn't about flashy tricks. It's not about scoring a solo goal or showing off skills. It's about creating a foundation strong, reliable, and automatic. One simple drill a day keeps hesitation away. If you commit to this for a month, your teammates will notice, your opponents will notice, and most importantly, you will notice. The ball feels like an extension of your body. Movements feel natural. Decisions come faster. Football stops feeling like a game you play and starts feeling like a game you control. So grab a ball, and just start. Because sometimes, all it takes is one simple drill to transform your football skills completely.